If you're dealing with radiating leg pain, sciatica, I want to show you a few things you can do, especially if you're dealing with it at night. So these are some things you can do to try and get some relief, allow you to sleep a little bit better, and not have to worry about the pain as much as you're going through the night. So some of the things I like to do, especially right before you go to bed to help relieve the pain. I did this in one of my other videos, just called the prone push-up. So you're just going to get on the ground and just work and come up. And what you want to do is just come up and try and stop before you get any pain, okay? So just come and go back and forth slowly about 10 times. Now, if you're doing that and you're feeling pain shoot down the leg, then stop and go get it checked out. But if you're doing that and that seems to help, makes it feel a little bit better, great. You can do that throughout the day to help control the pain also. But that's something that can help kind of get you back, decrease that pain as you're getting ready for bed, okay? Another one you can do is just a nerve floss. So just sit on the edge of your bed. What you're going to do is kick that leg out that's bothering you, pull your toes back, tip your head back. And then you're going to bring that foot down, tip your toes, and bring your head down. And you're just going to go back and forth slowly, like that, trying to get that nerve moving. Make sure you're not slouching as you're doing this, but sit up a little bit and then relax just about 10%, and that will help you out, okay? But getting that nerve moving can oftentimes help calm things down so you can sleep. All right, so one of the last things you want to do before you go to bed, make sure you have some pillows. And generally, you're going to find a side is more comfortable to sleep on. A lot of times it's having the side that is causing the sciatic pain up off the bed. So you're going to grab a pillow, put it between your knees, and you're going to also have a pillow that you put and kind of help wrap your arm around and keep your arm up. The biggest thing is you don't want to be twisted as you're sleeping. And so if you find that when you sleep, you kind of bring one leg forward and allow your hips to drop forward, that could be contributing to some of that pain. So put a pillow in here, try and keep a nice straight path from your knee to your hip to your shoulder. And then also one up here to kind of help support you so you don't roll over or roll back. And that's going to help kind of support your back and give you a little bit better position to sleep and help relieve some of that pain as you're sleeping. And one of the things I like to do when you first get up in the morning, kind of get you moving, is take some time, sit up on the edge of your bed. Don't try and sit straight up out of bed, but sit up, come up into this position before you get out of bed. And then what you're going to do is the cat-cow. So you're just going to come get down on your hands and knees and very slowly, very gently start to arch your back up and then come down. And just go back and forth through that gently, trying to get your back moving to kind of get that disc back compressed a little bit so you're not as full with fluid, and allows you to start moving and feeling better. So take a couple minutes in the morning, do about 10 sets of those, go for a little bit of a walk just to kind of loosen everything up. And that should help you sleep through the night and kind of make your next day a little bit better.